family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went into Dollar General to see what they had at this one store to see if they had the items that I was looking for, which they did not. But I did put a little haul together for you. So it seems like tomorrow for the 5 off of 25 Saturday, I will be going to another spot because I'm thinking that they have a lot of items, you know, at that store. Hopefully when I go in there in the morning, because this store, they had a sign on the door saying that they was harmed because they was short staffed. And the store that I went to, y'all, they usually have a lot of people in there stocking, but I guess they quit, or got fired one, but that's how it is now. So that, I guess you could say that's the new normal. I don't like to say that, but it is what it is. All right, so let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I got was these US, which is us, big razors. This is in the 2 count. It is $6. And if you still got that 5 off digital coupon that is attaching, if you can't find this within the razors, look on your end caps, because it was actually in with some other items that I guess is for big. But look on your end caps, because that's where I found this at. I didn't find it in the regular razors. I found it on the end cap. The next thing is this Milo. I got the famous sweet tea. And these Milos, they are $1.40. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing, I'm going to go down here to these Pedigrees, which y'all seen these Pedigrees before. These are 90 cents a piece. And I got 3 of them. And the store I was in, these are 90 cents. But they usually ring up 80. But they scan on my app. I think it was 85 cents they scanned on my app. But when she rung them up, they was 90 cents a piece. So there is $1 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching. I haven't gave my dogs these yet to see if she liked these or not. So I'm kind of skeptical. I'm kind of scared. But I'm going to try one just a little bit and see what she does. Okay. The next thing is the Tide liquid detergent. Y'all know I don't get, in my PNGs, I do not get any Tide gain in my papers. In my area that I'm in, there's no more coupons coming. So we have to go on the line to print out, and I didn't want to do that. So there was $1 off digital coupon that did attaching. This was $5.50 for this Tide. And y'all know y'all was trying to stock up for my liquid detergents, okay? So I was going to stop right there, but I didn't even feel like. I just went ahead and incorporated. I needed some paper plates because I'm tired of dishwashing. I'm tired of washing dishes right now. So I got some hefty. These are the 38 plates. They are on sale. Well, they're actually 3 for $5 for this one. Then there's a 2 for $7 for if you want to spend, I forgot how many is in that one. Okay. But I went ahead and got the 3 for $5. And because it's like a little deal that's going on, they 3 for $5. Like I said, they normally $2.50. Well, they're on sale. What did it say? I guess $2.50. That's what they rung up, $2.50. Then they take 50 cents off of each one. So they 3 for $5. These are 30. So if you're having your 4th of July party, go ahead and go to Dollar General, pick these up, or pick up the other ones. The bows are on sale also. So I just went ahead and got these hefty. I should have got some bows, and that will save you a little bit money. So after she scanned everything, I put my number in. My subtotal came to $13.60. I know it's a little bit higher because I added on these hefty. It would have been a little bit cheaper, but I just told her just go ahead and do what she got to do. So let me show you my receipt. All right, so there's the Tide, there's the Pedigree, there's the Bic, the Mallow, Sweet Tea. Sorry about that, y'all, my little nails. There's the Hefty. Then there's the subtotal, $13.60. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And then my total savings was $9.50. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.